Hello there you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you are coming back, you'll notice something a little bit different about me from last week. Yes, I did dye my hair for the second time. This time I did not make a video about it because I just figured it was really bad luck to be doing that. But if you want to see like some shorter videos, you can check out my TikTok. I posted a few on there. Today we are going to be making cookies because I feel like it, and we're in lockdown, and what else am I supposed to do than bake? I mean, I guess I could do schoolwork, but nah. So I'm in my jacket right now because I'm actually just gonna go clean my car out first because I carried my winter tires to my cabin so my dad could help me out with them. So it's very dirty, so I'm just gonna go do that first, and then we're gonna get right on to baking. So here's me moving the stuff out of my car, you know, getting it ready to be cleaned. This piece of paper is literally frozen. I really needed to vacuum. Like, just look at this. Disgusting. Okay, this is me telling you to clean your car. It's a sign from the universe. Just do it, please. Okay, now that that is mostly done, let us bake some cookies. Side note, I just got this sick blanket. It's like a Ouija board, but it's like really fuzzy, and it is really cold in here, so I'm gonna wear my Ouija board. This is, wait, where's the recipe? Alright, so I got the recipe here on my phone. We are making, oh god. We are making cream cheese cinnamon cookies. I think, I don't know, but I got all the ingredients here. It's off Pinterest, of course. We need 1 egg, we need vanilla, it says vanilla bean paste, but I don't have that. So we need flour, baking powder, cinnamon, sugar, kosher salt, powdered sugar, butter, and cream cheese. So I'm just gonna get the ingredients together first and then be back. So I accidentally did not soften enough butter. It asked for ½ a cup and I only got 2 tablespoons. We're gonna do what you're never supposed to do, which is put it in the microwave, because then it's gonna melt and then it's not gonna be the right consistency or whatever, but like... Oh, also I think my cream cheese had mold on it, but I scraped it off, so now it looks okay. Don't melt. It only melted a little bit. I think it's softened now. Okay. Alright, so far we just got cream cheese and butter. Yum. We're supposed to cream this together, I think, and then add the powdered sugar. This may or may not be the complete wrong amount, but this is what it looks like. Okay, here goes nothing. This cream cheese is not having it. Okay, yeah, this is what it looks like. So, oh my gosh, I don't know what I expected that to taste like. Ew. So we're just gonna be adding it really slowly in there, and hopefully not making a mess.
I probably should have used a bigger bowl.
I'm gonna add the 1 egg. Don't get shelled, don't get shelled, don't get shelled, don't get shelled. Got it. ½ teaspoon of baking powder. So it says a pinch, so beautiful. And you're supposed to use 1 teaspoon of the paste, but like I'll just give it a big splash. I really like vanilla, so sploosh. That's a big splash. This is what she looks like. So now we're just gonna combine it all together with the mixer.
Say hi to Maddie.
This is actually a terrible parking lot. I need a new space. This is actually...
It looks like this. Yeah. So now we're just gonna add flour. I would recommend using a bigger bowl than this. Does it taste good, Pop? Don't actually feed it to your dog. I don't actually know if it's good for them or not, but sir, this is a spoon.
This is a restaurant.
So basically now I just leave this in the fridge for an hour because it has to chill to like
Tastes good.
So we're gonna leave it in there for an hour and I'm gonna do something else for an hour. Oh my god, what the heck? Alright guys, so I'm back from a little stroll. It looks very, very dark now, but that's just because the sun sets at literally, it's 5 o'clock. So, it's been chilling for like just over an hour, so we're gonna take it out and continue on to the next step. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Preheat to 375, the oven. In a small bowl, mix together the cinnamon and the sugar, set aside. Cool, so we got it all together in a little bowl. Go mix it. Now we're gonna get some parchment paper for these guys. So, take the dough and we're just gonna roll it into a little ball, like so, like that. And then we're taking our sugar little mixture. We're just gonna dip it in there, roll it around here. And then put her on the baking sheet. Yay! Okay, cool. So, we're just gonna keep doing that. Kind of different sizes, but you know what, balls come in all shapes and sizes. No need to judge someone's balls, okay? And if your balls are lopsided or some bigger than the other, that's their problem if they're judging you, okay? Completely normal, don't worry about it. I usually am just a very much so like a chocolate chip cookies kind of girl, so you know, you just make the cookies and then no wait time, nothing, you just pop them in the oven. I don't even follow a recipe a lot of the time, but today for you guys, I'm following a recipe so you guys can do it and it'll actually like work out and not be terrible. Oh, that's cute. It's like we're baking together. Aw. I mean, if you're baking, if you're not, like, cool. So I think I'm gonna start my new series soon. I don't know how much of a series it's gonna be. It's gonna be me trying to survive in hardcore Minecraft, which if you don't know what that is, basically if you die in the game, you don't come back. You just die. So it's just gonna be me seeing how long I can survive.
I have a feeling it's not going to be very long.
Stop.
Shut up!
Alright, so I'm just gonna be putting these in the oven now. Don't mind Cola freaking out. It says... Now we must wait a few minutes for them to cool, but hopefully they turned out. They said just not to overcook them, so I tried not to. I did only 10 minutes, even though it says like 12 to 15. So hopefully that worked out. I will see you in a few minutes when they cool. Alrighty, they're all done cooling and everything, and I think I'm gonna try that one, because the last one I made, and I feel bad for him. It's really hard to tell with these whether they harden or not, because you can't tell when they're like looking golden brown, because the sugar and cinnamon makes it look golden brown already. But I'm gonna try it first bite. It's just really, really good. So it's like nice and fluffy on the inside. Yum! I would highly recommend you make these. I think it doesn't really matter what size you make. I think they're gonna turn out good no matter what, so if you want little baby ones, make little baby ones. If you want big honkers, make big honkers. You decide the fate of your balls. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you do decide to make these, tag me in a picture of them because I'd like to see how they turn out for you. They're super, super good in my opinion, especially if you like cinnamon and cream cheese. I we'll see you guys in the next one.
I contemplated premeditated murder.
Mom, why does the oven smell so bad?